This is the sixth sum from exercise 1.3. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Under this function, they have given many subdivision questions. The first question is find f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. So let me first solve the first sum. So they have asked us to find out this expression f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. So let me write first the given function. Given f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So let me first split this function again. F of 0 I will find out separately, then I will find out f of 1. So I will find out f of 0. So see here, as I have taught you in the fifth sum, in this place of x now I have 0. So in this place of x you substitute this 0. 2 into 0 minus 3. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Now find out the value for this function f of 1. Again see here, in this place of x you have 1 now. So in this place of x now you substitute 1. 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 ones are 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now find out the value of this full expression. See, I found out the value of this function f of 0 and I found out the value of this function f of 1, and in this denominator part you have no functions, it is just the number divided by 2. So I am going to solve this full expression now. F of 0 plus f of 1 by 2, it is equal to, in this you have already found out the value of f of 0, right? Now substitute that, minus 3. In between you have plus, so plus f of 1 value is minus 1. So put that inside the bracket. Divide by what you have is 2. So minus 3 plus into minus minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 2. It is equal to minus 2. So 2 2s are 4. So minus 2. So second question is find x such that f of x is equal to 0. They have given f of x is equal to 0. That is what is given in this question. If f of x is equal to 0, we have to find out for what value of x this function is 0. That's what they have asked. So let me first write this value. They have already given us the value of f of x, right? The value of f of x is given as what? 2x minus 3. So under this f of x, I am going to write this value 2x minus 3. It is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, if you bring this minus 3 to other side, it will be as plus 3. So x is equal to, if you bring this 2 into x, so if it goes there, it will be coming as divide by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2. You can write like this, or else x is equal to 1.5. So for the value of x is equal to 1.5, the function f of x is equal to 0. So next, the third question. So third subdivision is, they have asked us find x such that f of x is equal to x. So they have asked if the function f of x is equal to x, we have to find out the value of x. So the same like the second subdivision, you first substitute the value of this function f of x. They have given us, right? F of x value is 2x minus 3. So in this place of f of x, I have just substituted the value 2x minus 3. Now write this equal to as it is and this x as it is. So the function f of x is equal to x. So now 2x, bring this x to this side, bring the like terms together. So here I have x variable, so I will take the x variables together. So bring this x here. So if this x comes to this side, it will come as minus x. That is equal to, if this number minus 3 goes that side it will be as plus 3. So 2x minus 3 minus x is 1x. 1x or x is the same. So x is equal to 3. This is the answer. So fourth question. Find x. So see, find x such that f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. This is the question. So what is given is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. This is what is given. So see here the difference between the third and fourth sum. Here the function f of x, it is equal to just a variable x is given. So we wrote the function value as it is and we wrote this variable value as it is. Here the function f of x is equal to another function f of 1 minus x is given. So we just know the value of f of x only. We doesn't know the value of f of 1 minus x, right? So first we want to find out what is the value of f of 1 minus x. So we know the value of f of x. F of x is equal to what? It is given in the question itself, 2x minus 3. So we want to find out the value of f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x is, see here in this place of x, what I have is 1 minus x. So in this place of x, I want to substitute 1 minus x. 2 into 1 minus x. Now minus 3, write that as it is. Multiply this inside. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 into x is 2x. Now this minus 3 is separate. So write that as it is. So like terms together. So we have just 2 is a constant and 3 is also a constant. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 2x. So f of 1 minus x, the value of f of 1 minus x is minus 1 minus 2x. We found out the value, so that we can substitute here. So what is given? F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So this side I write the value of f of x. It is 2x minus 3. And this side I write the value of this function f of 1 minus x. I have found out the value minus 1 minus 2x. So I'll bring the like terms together. 2x, if I bring this minus 2x to this side, it will be as plus 2x, that is equal to, I write this minus 1 as it is, minus 1. Now bring this minus 3 to that side, it will be as plus 3. So 2x plus 2x is 4x, that is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is, different sign means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract this, 3 minus 1 is 2, greater number sign is plus, so plus 2. X is equal to, so I'll bring this 4 that side. Here we have 4 into x, right? So if it goes that side, it will become as division part. So 2 divided by 4. So cancel this. We'll have x is equal to 1 by 2, or else you can write x is equal to 0.5. So for the value of x is equal to 0.5. So f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. This is the